Can Pepe coins still ink millionaires? We're going to talk about that in this video, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Zach. If it's your first time dropping in, how do you do? Hopefully your weekend's going fantastic for you. And let's dive in. Pepe is still here, of course. A little bit over a $600 million market cap right now. We went as high as a $1.7 billion market cap. Here in the last week, Pepe has been the most talked about meme coin and really most talked about crypto across the board. Out at Bitcoin Miami, you got airplanes flying in the air, Pepe to the moon. Pepe's the next Bitcoin, and it's wild to say the least, right? Where this thing has went. And this is the chart we're taking a look at, guys. We did hit our highs back here on Friday, May 5th, about 15 days ago, where we bounced up into the 4-5 range, into the mid fours, came all the way back down into the 10 range before popping back up momentarily to the 20 range. And now we're just kind of trending sideways a little bit, slowly coming down a little bit of a momentum up push here as our indicator signaled right here. We saw the momentum up, and now we're getting a possible retracement down signal that just flashed earlier this morning. These are hourly candlesticks, by the way. But yes, still a sell on the technicals. But here's the thing. When we zoom out, this has been unbelievable. Nothing short of amazing what's happened here with Pepe. Rank number 67 in a very, very short amount of time. It's now a $617 million market cap at current valuation. But the question is, can Pepe still ink crypto millionaires? Let's dive into that, because if Pepe, as you can see right above me here, if Pepe had Shiba Inu's market cap of $5 billion, one Pepe would be worth 4012. Okay, 4012 range. That's an upside of about 673% from here. Now, that not necessarily is going to create a bunch of millionaires, depending on when you got in, how much you're holding, all of that sort of thing. Just wanted to kind of start with that to give you an idea of a comparison, rather, between Pepe and SHIB right now. Okay, so that's where we're at right there. It's a little bit less than a 10x away, Pepe is, than to catch up to where Shiba Inu is. Now, if SHIB had BNB's market cap of nearly 50 billion, which is right around where SHIB got to in the previous all-time high back in 2021, one Pepe would be worth 3011. That's an upside of 76x. So if we pop in here and say that we've got, let's say, 1 billion Pepe at current valuation, that's about $1,500, $1,600. And if we got to these levels, if we got to a $50 billion market cap at some point, we could see that portfolio would go from worth a little bit under 1,600 to 116,000. So what if we did 10 billion? Okay, let's say we have 10 billion Pepe right now. Now, that's going to cost you a little bit more with current valuation, right? Current valuation right around 15,800, but you could have bought this, way, way earlier and had 10 billion coins very early on, right? So I don't know exactly where you are, what your portfolio looks like this, but I'm just trying to give you an idea here. So at current valuation, it's worth just under 16 grand, but you could have paid 1,000 for this at some point, right? And have 10 billion. And if Pepe goes to a $48.9 billion market cap, you're going to be sitting on $1.2 million, which is absolutely insane. So you could see here, having 10 billion at Bitcoin's market cap, that's an upside of 783x. That's crazy. Potential worth 12 million. Ethereum potential worth here, same metrics, 5 million. There's the Tether and BNB comparison. How about if it had Cardano's market cap? Looking at an 18x away, right? So that can net you 304,000 at current valuation. It's worth 15. That's an 18x from here. So Dogecoin, same thing here. Current price, you look at the potential price of where we could go, 242,000. That is, again, saying you had 10 billion Pepe, and current valuation, it's worth just under 16K. So is it possible? Yes, I think it's still possible for it to happen, especially if you're still holding some Pepe from very early on. If you're not, it's going to be obviously more difficult, right? We're going to have to see immense upside, but this gives you an idea. If Pepe goes to where SHIB went, just from current valuation, that's a 73x. So you could start to do the math on how much you would need to 73x. Okay, quick math. If you had 10,000, you have 73x. Now you have 730,000, right? So, excuse me, 73,000. So, but if you 73x on that, 730,000. So you're getting close to a million there, right? So it's interesting to say the least, and we'll see what happens here with Pepe. It's going to be exciting to watch. Of course, I think Coinbase would be big for the price of Pepe, but I think just the fact that it's hanging in there and it's continued to remain strong here and it's being heavily traded, this is great to see. This is great to see. And you can see the volume here, 159 million. If we take a look at the meme coin volume numbers, okay, and we take a look at the meme coin list by market cap, okay, obviously it's Doge, it's SHIB, and it's Pepe. Now, in terms of volume, check this out. 24-hour volume, Pepe, 159 million, Doge, 120 million, SHIB, 54 million. So much more volume coming into Pepe right now than Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Mongcoin also on that list as well. You could see 23 million right there. My Lady, 22 million. Floki, AI, Doge, Bob on that list. So you're seeing some of these assets that we have seen really making some noise here in the recent weeks. They're on this list. But Pepe leading in volume right now, ranked number 67, and I believe still down the line could ink more millionaires. Let me know what you guys think down below. Appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back by the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.